Hi guys, today we're going to be shooting my toy NERF men, but first I want to introduce you to someone I found yesterday. I got this tiny little caterpillar. The hairs on it are quite spiky. Let's get this show on the road. I'm ready to get them. Come on. No. Oh, almost. Oh, there's more bricks. Oh, bring it there. Yes, got someone. There's some in the trees. They're not self-handed. Oh man. Oh man. This one here. Dang it. Oh, one guy. Oh, in the head. Oh, missed. In the head, guys. Oh, hit. Missed. There we go, hit. Okay. Oh, one there. I'm a helicopter. Oh, nice hit. Dang. The army tank. Oh, parachute one's up here. The army tank are down there. Oh. Yes. All we need. I bet you I can hit that peach coloured oil tank. If I don't, well, then that's just tough, innit? Oh, so close. Going down. You're going down. Oh! Oh, you just killed him. Climbers. Now I'm down. Oh, hit right in the back. Oh. I am going to shoot this and then it's going to be the end. Oh, is it? This is rubbish. I'm rubbish at shooting. Oh! I hope you enjoyed watching us shoot our toys. Now, unless you have these type of toys, then it's okay. But, you know, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you all next time, guys. Bye! Wait, it's not finished yet.